Imagine you go to your political representative to ask them about drains for the roads that they have fixed, and them are gonna tell you about deep and wide like your mama. I am truly flabbergasted by the poor level of leadership that has casually been put forward by this People's National Party. Una de pan trial for murder, a cuss bad word off when them upset, I telling about no mama when you not ask them about drains for roads, right? And I do interview on the internet telling people that you do not have the intellectual capacity to understand what is going on. In other words, you're not dunce. And I say so, I say so. These people have no respect for you, you know. Absolutely none. From the very top straight down to the bottom. So the leader, so the followers. And EOJ give you 1x and you are taking them people, eh? Could never be me.